Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is specially for you, so let's start. A warm welcome to all my lovely viewers. I'm glad you're all here. So guys, welcome to my channel Norina with Decor, your favorite comfort. Get comfy because this video is about to begin. A big hello to my amazing audience. In today's video we are talking about latest and modern wooden project craft ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. So please guys, watch this video till the end so you don't miss any other amazing designs. All the designs are very unique, trendy and beautiful, and I am sure you will get amazing decorative ideas from this video. Guys, if you are new to here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for your love. And on my last video, today's video is going to be super exciting, so stay tuned till the end. Let's jump straight into today's topic. Before we begin, make sure to give the videos a big thumbs up. You guys have been asking for this one, and it's finally here. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss any upload. Today I am going to talk about wooden craft ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. If you want to more home interior designs and home wooden craft ideas, so you can please visit my channel, and also do try my amazing decorative ideas from my channel. Wood art is from natural wood. It brings body to any space. Wood has a warm and earthy feel. Artists shape wood into amazing designs. Wooden art can be small or a big. Some pieces is unique. Now, two wood grains are the same. That makes every art piece special. Wood work needs practice and curve. Artists spend hours on the pieces. They smooth the wood with shaper, then they cut the shape. It designs the curve with love. Some art has deep meaning. Woodwork needs practice and curve. Artists spend hours on one piece. Other are just for decoration. Wooden farms look elegant. Wall hanging made of wood are popular. Wooden lamps create a cozy lights. Table and chairs can be artwork. Too many people love wood structure. Animals shape are common, flowers, trees, and also curved designs ideas. Some wooden art tells the story. Artists sometimes paint on wood. Colors add more life to the pieces. Traditional designs are full of culture. All the designs are very latest and beautiful. So guys, watch this video till then. Please take care of yourself and the people around you.